There's what entrance we got. Double layered siding. You can see the old abandoned siding and a 2x, and then siding stacked outside that. And get in my hair. Another one. I'm backing up. Welcome back to the 628 Dirt Rooster channel, where hobby beekeeping is a way of life. And today we're getting into a little bit of your fingers over the lens.
Good for you, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, we added chicken fingers, but we have it on a stick over here. Okay, that works.
Chicken on a stick.
When I was a kid. You're 20. You are still a kid.
Crispy, crunchy chicken. If you ever see that logo anywhere, pull in and get you some. I see it in the store, I start skipping like a little girl across the room. Crispy, crunchy chicken. Well, y'all, we'll see in a minute.
You didn't see what I just seen? Me come to the window and then just slid.
We'll see in a minute what we got on this cutout. Our GoPro ran out of battery during the time lapse. We had a invalid old man in the apartment suffering with dementia pretty bad, so we didn't want to do a lot of recording. We wanted to hurry up and get that done and get out of there, so that's the reason we didn't really elaborate on anything. This one, pretty straightforward removal. Good healthy colony. We did locate the queen. I don't know if maybe that's on video. Caged her and put her in the vac. She's in the vac with the rest of everybody else, but we saved that till last, and then I just included her so she'd be tended, because it is 68 degrees now and the cage was getting a little cool, and the last two attendants left her, so I just stuck her in the vac.
Well, you put an accident, you can see a hive. Oh, light to light. Yeah, that's... You're right with that diffuser on it, nice and soft.
Yeah. Nice even light.
Well, this is not the peak of summer yet, when they're a little more active and likely to go after a light.
Yeah, I think that diffuser and low light like that is going to be good there.
But you can also put...
I got another tip for that hose you want.
Yeah, because I can't reach anything anymore with the big tip. I got them.
Take that long piece out if you need to.
I don't want to get my hand that close. There's no need for that.
No, there ain't.
They haven't stung me. Why give them an opportunity? No, the wax looks... I mean, this here, these three are brand new. These aren't that dark down here either.
Can you reach it? You want me to do it?
With that thing? Yeah, I think I can reach it. Oh, you've got a beer opener. You're a good boss at work. You're gonna have bottled beer at work. Get off of me, girl. It's harder than it looks.
It looks like crunchy too.
No, it's not crunchy, but it's definitely harder. There you go. Uncapped honey. Baby. Kind of odd to have brood way on the outside, ain't it? Yeah, I cut straight upside and cut this out. You can see that white, that's brood blood. Oh, how the hell you work them big long knobs in here? All I got is a spatula and it's giving me a pain. Happy I got a beard. He just tried to kick me in the chin. That's not what I want to see happen. Problem is, it goes further back. And this is usually where you come in because I can't reach further back. Even on this, I can't reach further back. Let's see what I can get away with here. Now that the vacuum's doing it. No, this is doing it. Yeah, I don't. No, this is doing it. I can get the shed to keep building up in this corner over here. I come up on the thing, so right away out of here. Where did it go? Give me a minute to get away from all my face. You didn't see when I said hello, how many was around my face? I'm being a little gentler and slower than I usually do. Yeah. It only took 3 years to learn. Come on now. One thing. Yeah! You had to say it. I haven't had one yet. Nose. Right in it. I still got them on my forehead right now.
Alright guys, we're not going to video much of this one because of the situation we got with the property, but there's what we've got in the ceiling. She's a beauty. She's been here since last season. End of last season. This is the end of March right now.
I'm waiting. I got one buzz in my face.
tell you what.